It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, July the 6th. I'm Michael Groff. Residents in the East Valley, including East Phoenix, saw blowing dust yesterday afternoon, and that's a repeat possibility today as monsoon moisture slowly increases over the southwest. But our main concern in the short term will be the heat. Thereafter, later this weekend and next week, a very active monsoon weather pattern is expected over the southwest states with increasing chances of showers and thunderstorms statewide. Let's get out there and talk about it first. In the valley yesterday, 115 was the high after a morning low of 88. And outside right now, thanks to some wind and moisture coming up overnight, a potentially record warm morning out there. And you'll notice when you step outside, here at 5:15 a.m., it is still 95 degrees at Sky Harbor. That's the coolest it's been so far. Dew points up to 56, relative humidity 27%, wind from the east at 10 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning, just about all of us are still in the 90s. Even the normal cool spots like Fort McDowell and Buckeye, they're still 95 and 93 respectively. About the coolest location I could find, 89 in Maricopa. All right, the upper air look across the country. Yes, high pressure is setting up in its normal monsoon position, and the flow aloft is turning southeasterly and eventually will turn easterly later this weekend. So moisture coming in, but we still have to deal with at least one more day of excessive heat. Speaking of that, we still have an excessive heat warning in effect in the valley until 9 p.m. this evening. You see those extend throughout much of western Arizona, southeast California, southern Nevada. Convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms, parts of Montana as well as New England. And you see the northern, about 2/3 of the state in the green, so the potential of scattered thunderstorms exists there, although no organized severe weather is anticipated. Yesterday afternoon, we did see some hail in the Pine Top area, which briefly dropped the temperature to 49 degrees. Meanwhile, rainfall for the next 7 days. This is valid through next Friday morning, coming from the WPC. The numbers coming up. Around 1/2 to 1 inch for the rim country, around 1/10 of an inch for us here in the valley. And you know the deal by now with these maps during the monsoon season. Any one spot could certainly get more than what is shown here. This is just an average amount that's expected over the region. All right, let's get into the details of our forecast now. And to do that, we'll check out the models and see what they say. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our 597 heat dome here over the west. The good news is the flow aloft turning easterly, and that'll mean increasing moisture. The bad news is we're still in the fryer today. High temperatures somewhere between 110 and 113. The sky partly cloudy. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop this afternoon over the high country. They'll push westward toward the deserts, probably not making it in here, but gusty outflow winds and blowing dust, a possibility once again here in the valley. Tonight, with partly cloudy skies, it's going to be warm again. Lows mid-80s to low 90s for most of us. And then tomorrow, partly sunny, humidity continuing to increase, scattered showers and thunderstorms over the mountains. They'll drift westward, and we do have a slight chance of seeing some showers and storms here in the deserts tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and even through the overnight hours. Highs a little bit cooler, 107 to 110, but with the increased humidity, you won't really notice. Sunday could be a very interesting day. The GFS continues to be very aggressive at developing showers and thunderstorms in the morning along the leading edge of an easterly wave that'll be moving into the southwest states at that time. Not sure that happens, but it is a possibility. More likely, though, we'll see a partly sunny day, high temperatures cooler in the 102 to 106 range, humidity levels up, and a good chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms in here Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. Certainly numerous showers and storms in the mountains, more scattered showers and storms here in the desert. Some of those packing a punch, putting down some strong, gusty, damaging winds, maybe some small hail, and locally heavy rain. The flash flood potential could be coming up with this feature as well on Sunday. More details on that as we go forward. Monday, that wave continues to push west, and we still have a chance of showers and storms. I think if Sunday's an active day, Monday will be kind of a down day convectively, but still can't rule out some scattered showers and storms. And then we go with a broad brush, moderate grade monsoon pattern for much of next week. Some of the models have been going pretty wild on bringing temperatures down and continuing with a very active pattern. But at this point, we'll just say a daily chance of afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, partly sunny skies, highs 99 to 103 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. All right, here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 13th, and no real sign of change. High pressure over the Great Basin, disturbances rotating around it, easterly flow generally, and scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoons and evenings. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday the 15th. No real changes in the weather pattern. I mean, we are going to be locked into at least a low to moderate grade monsoon for the next 7 to 10 days. And that is good news for a state that is in desperate need of precipitation. Let's check out those numbers through the period off the GFS ensemble. Temperatures trending down next week, and I wouldn't be surprised if at least 1 or maybe 2 days next week didn't feature a high of under 100 degrees. With an active monsoon weather pattern, you know that's a possibility. All right, that's going to just about do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. But since the monsoon is in full effect now, yeah, we're back to a full workload here, 6 or 7 day schedule for much of the rest of the summer. So my next video is back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe, stay cool out there, watch out for the blowing dust, and have yourselves a safe and happy Friday.